Hey everyone, want to master Excalidraw? Excalidraw is a free, open-source virtual whiteboard that helps you create diagrams, flowcharts, mind maps, wireframes, project plans, and collaborative workspaces with ease. In this full guide, I'll walk you through the essential tools, features, and best practices you need to become confident with Excalidraw in 2026. So let's get started. First, familiarize yourself with the Excalidraw interface. The toolbar gives you access to shapes, arrows, text, freehand drawing, images, the library, and collaboration features, while the infinite canvas provides unlimited space for your ideas. Next, practice using the core drawing tools. Create rectangles, circles, diamonds, arrows, lines, and text boxes, then learn how to duplicate, resize, rotate, align, and group objects to build diagrams efficiently. Now combine the tools to create useful diagrams like flowcharts, mind maps, wireframes, organizational charts, process diagrams, and project plans. I mean, the more real-world diagrams you build, the faster you'll become. Take advantage of reusable libraries and templates whenever possible. Adding pre-made icons, UI components, and common diagram elements can save time and help maintain a consistent design across your projects. Click live collaboration whenever you're working with teammates. Real-time editing makes brainstorming sessions, design reviews, planning meetings, and online teaching much more productive. Finally, build habits that improve your productivity. Save editable Excalidraw files regularly, export important diagrams as PNG or SVG, organize your boards with colors and labels, and learn keyboard shortcuts to speed up your workflow. Consistent organization makes large projects much easier to manage. Once you're comfortable with the basics, challenge yourself by recreating real application interfaces, designing software architectures, planning business workflows, creating classroom lessons, or building complete project roadmaps. A practical experience is the fastest way to master Excalidraw, and that's how to master Excalidraw in 2026. By learning the tools, practicing with real projects, collaborating effectively, and developing an organized workflow, you'll be able to create professional diagrams quickly and confidently. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.